If you want to know how to scan a document in Yahoo Mail, this quick guide will show you the easiest way to do it on your phone. Whether you need to send a signed form, a receipt, an ID, or any paper document, you can scan it first and attach it directly inside Yahoo Mail in just a few taps. This is a simple method that works great when you want to send a clean digital copy without needing a computer or any complicated software. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your phone's camera app or scanner app. If your phone has a built-in document scanner, that is usually the best option because it can automatically crop and sharpen the page for you. Place your document on a flat, well-lit surface, then line it up inside the camera view. Try to keep the page steady and make sure all the text is visible. Once everything looks clear, scan the document and save it to your phone. Depending on your device, the scanned file may be saved as a PDF or an image, and either one can usually be attached in Yahoo Mail. Now open the Yahoo Mail app on your phone. Make sure you are signed into the correct account before continuing. From the main inbox screen, tap Compose to start a new email. This opens a fresh message where you can add the recipient, subject line, and your message. In the email window, look for the attachment icon, which is usually the paperclip symbol. Tap that attachment button to bring up your files and recent scans. Next, select the scanned file you just created. If you use the scanner app, it may appear in your recent files, downloads, or document folder. If you do not see it right away, browse through your phone storage until you find the scan. Tap the file once to attach it to the email. Give it a moment to upload, especially if it is a large PDF or multiple page scan. After it finishes attaching, you can add your recipient's email address and type a short message if needed. Before sending, it is always a good idea to check the attachment one more time. Make sure the file is the correct document, the pages are readable, and nothing important is cut off. If everything looks good, tap send. Yahoo Mail will send the scanned document as an attachment to the person you chose. And that is how you scan a document in Yahoo Mail. It is fast, simple, and perfect for sending paperwork from your phone without any extra hassle. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.